In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Lastly, just tap on any password that you wish to delete, and after entering your login method, hit Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!